the value of k for which the system of equations 4x plus y equals 3 and 8x plus 2y equals 5k has infinite solutions. So here two lines. The one is 4x plus y equals 3. The other one is 8x plus 2y equals 5k. These two lines have like infinite solutions. So condition for infinite solutions is, so before writing the condition, write the equations in standard form. That is 4x plus y minus 3 equals 0 and 8x plus 2y minus 5k equals 0. Now if I write the condition here, the condition is a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2, and if it is equal to c1 by c2, the lines are coincident and they have like infinite solutions. Now if I substitute the values again, that is 4 by 8 equals, here coefficient of y is here 1 and here it is 2. So 1 by 2 equals minus 3 upon minus 5k. So minus 3 upon minus 5k. Here minus and minus cancel. You can equate the first one with the last one because we need to find the value of k, or the second one with the last one. So here I'll take 1 by 2 equals 3 by 5k. 1 by 2 equals 3 by 5k. So if I cross multiply, so 5k equals 3 times 2 is 6. So the value of k is 6 by 5. So here for the first one, the correct option is 6 by 5. The correct option will be like D. In the same way, the second question. For the second question, among the following, which of the following is not true? A statement that is not true. Now see, the first question is based on the identity, first identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. So from there, if I find the value of sin theta, so sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So sin theta will be under root 1 minus cos square theta. So the first option is correct. Now second one is a standard identity, that is secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. This is also correct. So they are asking which is the false one. So next one, tan into cot. Tan is opposite by adjacent, cot is adjacent by opposite. They both are reciprocals. So if I multiply, we'll get 1. This is also correct. Now cos into cosec. Cos into cosec theta is 1. This is false because cos is, see if I write here, cos theta and cosec theta. Cos theta value is adjacent by hypotenuse and cosec is hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse cancel and adjacent by opposite will get, which is not 1. So here the correct option is C, because among the following, a statement which is not true is C. Next one, third bit, the logarithmic form of 7 equals 3 power x. So 3 power x here, 3 power x equals 7. We need to write in logarithm form. See, according to the definition, logarithm definition, if a power x equals n, okay, then x equals log n to the base a. So if I'll compare this here, if a power x, see in place of x here also we have x. So here I'll write x equals log, in place of n, okay, we have 7, log 7, and in place of a here I have 3. So log 7 to the base 3. So x equals log 7 to the base 3. So the correct option is D, because here x equals log 7 to the base 3. So the correct option here is D. Next one, the decimal form of 3 by 8. So 3 we should divide with 8, the decimal form. So here it is not divisible, so I'll take a point. Okay, 8 times 3 24. So if we'll subtract 66, so already point is there, so I'll take 0. So 8 sevens 56 and 4, already we have point, so 0. So 8 times 5 is 40. So 0.375. So the correct option is here 0.375, that is like C. Fifth bit, if 72, 63, 54, so here it's 72, 63, 54 is an arithmetic progression. So then the term that becomes 0, which term is 0 they are asking. So here in the series A is 72 and common difference is A2 minus A1, so which is 63 minus 72. So 63 minus 72 is minus 9. So A we got and we have D. So they are asking AN is 0. Which term is 0? So here AN formula is A plus N minus 1 into D equals 0. So A value is 72 plus N minus 1 into D is minus 9 equals 0. So 72 minus 9n, minus of minus plus 9 equals 0. 72 plus 9 is 81 minus 9n equals 0. So 81 equals 9 times n equals 81 by 9. 9 times 1, 9 times 9. So n value is 9. So ninth term is 0. So the correct option is C. Next one. The equal set of A, X is the letter of the word follow. See, for writing the letter follow, F, okay, while writing in set, we will not repeat the elements. O, L, again 2 times L is there, but we will not write, we will write only 1 time. Already O I wrote, so W. F, O, L, W, this is the answer. So first one, see here in set the elements are repeated, therefore it is not a correct answer. Here also L and L is repeated, that is also not the correct answer. And here in D, O is repeated, elements cannot be repeated in a set, so that is also not a set. So our answer F, O, L, W, this is the correct answer. Correct option is here C. If n of A minus B, here n of A minus B is 5 and n of B minus A is 7 and n of A intersection B. So this MCQ will be easy if we draw the Venn diagram. So here see, I will draw the Venn diagram here. Here I will take set A and this is B. So A, B, universal set. Now see, A minus B region is this part, the one which I am shading. Okay, and in the same way in A minus B they told here like A minus B is 5 elements, so this is 5. Next one, and B minus A, now the one which I am shading is B minus A, the one which I am shading, this one, this part is B minus A. So here B minus A, they told very clearly there are like 7 elements, and they told A intersection B. So A intersection B is the common region, they told 3 elements, and they're asking number of elements in A union B, number of elements in A union B. So here A union B, if you'll see number of elements in A union B. So all the elements in A and B, that is clearly we can see 5 plus 3 plus 7. So the answer is 15. So total A union B, there are 15 elements. So the correct option is D. Correct option is D. Next one. Among the following, bit number 8, MCQ 8, among the following, the value which is not possible for the probability. See, probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes by total outcomes, total number of outcomes. So first one is it's possible because it's proper fraction. This 0.5 is also possible. You can say in two methods. One is like you can write 5 by 10, which is 1 by 2. Proper fraction, it's possible. Or you can say probability always lies from like 0 to 1. So it is in between 0 and 1, so it's possible. Next, 25%, 25 by 100. This is also proper fraction because number of favorable outcomes may be like equal 0 or less than the total number of outcomes, but it cannot be more than total outcomes. Now if you'll see 4 by 3, 4, the option, this option, 4 by 3, 4 by 3, say favorable outcomes are more than total outcomes, which is not possible. So here the value which is not possible for the probability of an event is correct option is here D. Next one, among the following a linear equation, among the following a linear equation or a linear polynomial is. Now if you'll see the first option, it is quadratic. So it is quadratic because the degree here is 2, degree is 2, therefore it is quadratic. Here in option C, the degree is 0. Okay, so it is constant. And next in the third one, the degree is here 3, so it will become like cubic. So here second option B, here the degree is 1, so it is linear polynomial. The correct option is B. Correct option is B. Now one more 10th MCQ. So here if you'll see, P of x is given, they are asking P of 0. P of x value is given. So P of 0 means in place of x, just we need to substitute 0. So 0 and here also 0. So 0 square is 0. Okay, and minus 2 into 0 is 0 plus 2. So the correct option is 2, which is C. So the correct option for the 10th one is C. The value of discriminant of x square plus x plus 1 equals 0. So here discriminant formula is b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. So before that, if you compare this quadratic equation with the standard one, ax square plus bx plus c, and if you write the values of like a, b, c, so here a is 1, b is also 1, and c is also 1. Now if we'll substitute the values, so b square, 1 square minus 4 into a is 1, c is 1. 1 minus 4 into 1, 4, 4 again into 1 is 4. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So the discriminant, the correct option for the 11th bit is minus 3, which is D. Next one, a quadratic equation whose roots are minus 2 and minus 3. So quadratic equation whose roots are minus 2 and minus 3. So here alpha is minus 2 and beta is minus 3. So if you use the formula x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. So here x square minus x into alpha is minus 2, beta again plus into minus 3 plus minus 2 into minus 3. So x square minus x into minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 plus minus into minus is 2 times 3, 6. So x square minus into minus plus 5x plus 6. So x square plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. So the quadratic equation is x square plus 5x plus 6. So the correct option is B. If the product of first 5 terms of a geometric progression is 243, then its third term is. See, in AP, in arithmetic progression, for example, if they'll say like 3 terms, we'll take it like a minus d, a, and a plus d, so that the simplification will be easy. If they'll say like 4 terms, we'll take a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 3D. If they'll say 5 terms in an AP, we'll take A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. In the same way for GP, for geometric progression, if they'll say like 5 terms, so we need to take in this way. Now see here, like A by R square, A by R, AR square. If we'll take like this, here they told in the question the product. See, because if we'll take in this order, if I'll multiply all the common ratio terms like R square, R and R square, all will get cancelled because they told the product. Now if I'll multiply all this, A by R square into A by R into A into AR into AR square is 243. So here R square and R square cancel, R and R also cancel. So you're left with A here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you multiply, you'll get A power 5. And this 243 you can write as 3 power 5. So clearly you can see the value of A is 3. The value of A is 3. Now here the correct option is C. Next one. The LCM of 2 power 7 into 3 power 4, 2 power 7 into 3 power 4 into 7, 2 power 3 into 3 power 4 into 11. See, for LCM, you need to write all the numbers, but when you have something common, okay, like for example here, 2 power 7, 2 power 3. Out of these two, you need to take the highest one, which is 2 power 7. 3 power 4, 3 power 4. So into 3 power 4. You should write all the numbers 7 and 11 into 7 into 11. In this way, we'll calculate LCM. So 2 power 7 into 3 power 4 into 7 into 11. The correct option is like C. So next one, 15th bit, 15th MCQ. In an arithmetic progression, nth term is an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. So in this formula, what is d represents? So clearly d represents the common difference. So the correct option is D. In triangle ABC, angle C is 30. So AB value is given here. So we need to find the values of AC and BC. So first I'll find like BC. I'll use tan theta. So tan theta ratio is opposite by adjacent, which is nothing but AB by BC. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AB value is 1 and BC I'll get from here. The value of BC is root 3. In the same way, I need to calculate AC. So this part. So for that I'll use again opposite by hypotenuse sin theta. Sin 30 is AB by AC. So here AB sin 30 value is 1 by 2. AB is 1. So I'll get AC as 1 into 2 is 2. So I got all the values. That is, this value is here 2. So they're asking the ratio AB is to AC is 2 and the other one is like BC. So AB value is 1, AC value is 2 and BC is root 3. So the correct option is 1 is to 2 is to root 3. The correct option is here D. Next one. If the radius of a cylinder is double and its height is halved, then the volume of the new cylinder. See here, volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Suppose if the radius is double, new volume, new one. If suppose if the radius is double, pi, starting radius was r, now it is 2r whole square, and height is halved, h by 2. What will happen to the volume? Now see, pi into, this will get like 4r square because 2 square is 4 r square into h by 2. If you cancel here, 2 times 1, 2 times 2. So you're left with 2 pi r square h. So 2 into this pi r square h was the volume of the original cylinder. Volume of cylinder. So if the radius is double and height is halved, then the new volume will become 2 times the volume of the first cylinder. So here the correct option is C. Correct option is C. Next one, if E and E dash, E bar are two complementary events in a random experiment, probability of a not event, probability of an event plus probability of a not event is always 1. So probability of an event we need to calculate. So probability of a not event is 0.07. So probability of event is 1 minus 0.07. So that will be like 0.93. 1 minus 0.07 is 0.93. So the correct option is B. Here the correct option is B. The 19th MCQ, the mean of 9 observations is 45. In doing so, if an observation was wrongly taken as 42 for 24. So here the mean is like sum of the observations by number of observations. The mean of 9 observations is 45. So mean is 45. So sum of the observations by number of observations is 9. So here 45 times 9. So here 45 into 9 is like sum of the observations. So 45 into 9 is like 405 is sum of the observations. See, they told one observation is wrongly taken as 42. So the mistake happened only in sum of the observations. So where they added, the mistake wrongly they took. So in sum, while adding, so there only what we should do, we should take out the wrong observation and we should add the correct observation. So from sum 405, we should take out the wrong observation and we should add the correct observation. So here 405 minus 42. So they took 42 as a wrong observation for 24. So 24 was correct. So I should add 24. I should take out 42. So 405 minus 42 will give you like 363 plus 24 that is 387. So again, see, if you'll calculate mean now, for this, mean is nothing but sum of the observations by number of observations, that is 387 by 9. So if you'll cancel this, 9 4s 36, 9 3s 27. So the correct option will be like, the correct mean of the data is 43. So the correct option is here B. If you'll see the last MCQ, base, radii and height of cylinder and cone are equal. If the volume of cone is 9 cubic units, then the volume of cylinder. So volume of cone, if you'll see, volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now volume of cone is 9. Volume of cone is 9 equals 1 by 3 pi r square h. So if you'll observe, pi r square h is nothing but, here this pi r square h is volume of cylinder. So just transpose this 3 towards LHS. You'll get 9 times 3 is pi r square h. So which is 27. So pi r square h is nothing but the volume of cylinder. The volume of cylinder is here 27 cubic units. So volume of cylinder is 27 cubic units. 27. So correct option is A.